All right, let's talk about how you can create a color-coded drop-down list in Excel. So here we just have a super simple example. We have some random tasks we need to get done for the week and whether or not we've completed that. Now this is a super simple example. However, this can apply to any drop-down that you're trying to create or color code. So in this case, we're either going to have in this cell completed or not completed. So those will be the two values in our drop-down list. So first we need to create our drop-down list. So you need to select the column or the range of cells that you're looking to add the drop-down list to. Then simply go up to the data ribbon, go under data tools and find this little icon which is data validation. Select that. This pop-up menu will appear. Hit this drop down and select list. And then here you can manually type the options you want in your drop down list separated by a comma. And then we'll go ahead and hit OK. And then you'll notice this little drop down arrow will appear on each of these cells. So we can select completed or not completed. If we try to type anything else, Excel is going to tell us we can't do that because it's not within our data validation or our drop-down list. So now what we need to do is color code this. So I'll fill in the rest of these really quick and then I'm going to cover how you can color code these. Alright, so what we need to do now for our drop-down list range is select it, whether that's the column or just a group of cells. We'll go to the home ribbon and then under styles, find conditional formatting. Select that and select new rule. This little menu will pop up, then select format only cells that contain. Then make sure cell value is selected here, hit this drop down and select equal to. So we want if that cell is equal to completed, we want to be able to format that in any way that we want. And you can kind of play around with the font, border, fill. In this case, we'll just have it highlight in green. And then we'll go ahead and hit OK. And you'll notice that all of the completed options were highlighted in green. Now we need to make you need to make a rule, a conditional formatting rule like we did before for each option that you want to be color coded. So depending on how many drop down options you have, this could take a little bit of time, but this is how you can color code options in your drop down list. So we'll select new rule one more time, format cells, only cells that contain, equal to, but this time we want not completed, and we'll format that with just an orange color. Go ahead and hit OK, OK, and we'll notice that that will automatically highlight any color that's not completed. Now if we were to switch this option to not completed, it'll automatically switch to orange, and so on and so forth. If we switch this to completed, it will automatically switch to green. So that's how you can color code a drop-down list in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.